If I were to describe Pasada, it's a transportation solutions using technology, particularly AI, IoT, and also web analytics. Ito ay isang monitoring system kasi ang nangyayari kasi ngayon ay mahirap para sa mga malalaking bus companies na i-monitor yung kanilang fleets and also their drivers' behavior. Actually, nasa phase 2 na to ng implementation ng project. Nag-trigger simula nung, if you've heard about the accidents this year involving buses, ngayon medyo naging enthusiastic particularly yung government agencies na magkaroon ng ganitong technology para maiwasan natin yung mga road crashes that results in fatalities. Itong device kasi nito, it's a precautionary device kasi what it does, it analyzes the driver's behaviors and it would be a lot easier for the, let's say, bus operators to track kung sino ba yung mga drivers nila na medyo,
Reckless driver.
pasaway, reckless driver, hindi sumusunod sa mga rules. So rather than reviewing yung kanilang, let's say, mayroon silang dash cam or parang sa loob ng CCTV, one by one, ang mangyayari ay meron ng device that automatically sends notifications every time their drivers commits violation.